Hello everybody, welcome to another music theory tutorial video. Today we'll look at quality and we will introduce the idea with major and minor seconds. Again, check out raisinconmusic.com for a complete list of music theory tutorial videos. And let's dive in. So last time we talked about quantity, and a quick recap: quantity is just an approximate estimation of the distance between two notes. So let's say if you have a starting note C and you're trying to look for a second above C, you can go to D. That's a correct answer. You can go to D flat. That's also a correct answer if you're only dealing with quantity. But in music, we want things to be precise, and it can be pretty precise. So let's come down here a little bit. So quantity refers to this part here of this interval formula, a rough estimate, and quality adds some more information to the interval here by stating whether the interval is a major or minor interval. Later on, we'll also deal with diminished and also augmented interval. So stay tuned, and we will talk about them in a future video coming up very soon. So today we'll only talk about major and minor intervals, and specifically major seconds and minor seconds. Okay, so let's come back up here. Okay, so a second interval can be either a major second or a minor second. If we are talking about a major second, the definition is these two notes have to be one whole step apart, meaning with a starting note C, first, let me do the example here. First, you use quantity, you get the quantity first, so that would be a D, right? After that, the second step, you check for quality. So you need to verify whether these two notes are actually one whole step apart. And it is. So that would be a major interval. Okay. Otherwise, you'll have to amend the note a little bit. So C and D is actually a major second. All right. What about a minor second? So if you come here, again, with a starting note C, you would go to a D first, okay? But since we're looking for a 1/2 step only this time, and this is the definition of a minor second, so it is something that you have to memorize. So after the first step here, this first step is the same here. And if you're looking for a minor second, you have to make sure you get only a 1/2 step. So we'll put the flat next to the D, making it a D flat. All right. So we'll do some more exercise in a minute. Also, some shorthand for you. You can notate a major second with a capital M with a second. So for this one is not something that's official. It's something that I learned while I was studying from a teacher, and he would use this notation, and actually it's what's required in our submitted homework. For a minor second, you would put down a lowercase m with a line above it, okay, and a second. You can also do the number system way, so number system, all right. So a 2 here actually means a major second. It's just not any kind of second, but a major second. For a minor second, you put down a flat here. And again, the distance has to be 1/2 step apart for half steps, and also 1 whole step apart for major seconds. Yeah, sorry, I should say 1/2 step apart for minor seconds, 1 whole step apart for major seconds. Again, the procedure is you go for quantity first, so get a rough estimate first, and then you adjust the note based on the quality you're going for. Okay, and for this case, we're only dealing with major and minor seconds. Okay, so in the next video, we'll do a few exercises, and so see you in the next video. All right.